Question number 10, exercise 4.2. Solve this equation. And how to solve this equation? By making pair. First of all, we make pair x plus 1 and x plus 3. First term is x and here first term is x. These two are same, so we'll make these two terms as pair, x plus 1 and x plus 3 pair. Now 2x and 2x are same, so we'll make these two terms as pair, is equal to 945. Now we will multiply both of these two. What we will get? X square plus 4x, 3 plus 1 4x plus 3 ones are 3. Now 4x square plus 5 is 15 and 2a into 16x is equal to 945. Now if we take common x square plus 4x plus 3, now we can easily see that 4 is common from these two terms. 4 ones are 4, x square, 4 is common, 4 ones are 4, x square plus 4 fours are 16 plus 15 is equal to 945. Now you can see that this term and this term is same. Both of these two terms are same, so we consider this term as y. X square plus 4x is equal to y. Why we consider? So that if we consider these terms as y, it will make our equation easier, more simplest form. So we will consider this term as y, so we write here y plus 3. Now 4 as it is, and we consider this term y, 4y plus 15 is equal to 945. Now we multiply both these two terms. What we will get? 4y plus 15 into y plus 3. 4y square plus 15y plus 12y plus 15 3s are 45. So y square plus 27y plus 45 is equal to 945. Now y square plus 27y plus 45. Now we will take this term in the left side, so positive sign becomes negative sign. If there is no sign, so we write positive, and positive sign becomes negative sign. Y square plus 27 minus 900 is equal to 0. Now we will make factor. 900 is a greater term, so instead of using factor, we will directly apply quadratic formula. So y, we can see that 4y square, this is a quadratic equation, and we can see that this is variable is y, so we'll find the root of y. If variable is x, so we write x. This is y, if we write y. So y is equal to minus b. B is 27 plus minus under root b square. B is 27 square minus 4, A is 4, C is minus 900. 2 into A is 4. Now minus 27 plus minus under root 27, 27s are 729. Minus minus plus 4 4s are 16, 16 9s are 144. 144 and 0 0. 4 2s are 8. Next step, minus 27 plus minus under root 144. What we will get? 14400 plus 729. 9251. 15129. And the under root of this term is 123. Minus 27 plus minus 123 divided by 8. Y. So we will take y. Firstly, we will take with positive sign minus 27 plus 123 divided by 8. And second time we will take y is equal to minus 27 minus 123 divided by 8. Now 123 minus 27. What we will get? 123 minus 27. 96 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8 ones are 8 twos are 12. Now 123 and 27 minus minus plus 7 plus 3 10 4 5 150 minus 150 by 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 2 5s are, so minus 75 by 4. Now y is 12 and y is minus 75 by 4, and we consider y is equal to x square plus 4x. Here we can see that x square plus 4x is equal to y, so we put y is equal to x square plus 4x because we want to find the answer in terms of x. So x square plus 4x is equal to what is the value of y? 12. So x square plus 4x is equal to y is minus 75 by 4. Now x square plus 4x plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Positive sign will becomes negative sign when we take in the left side. Now we make factor of 12 are 12, 12 ones are 2, 6 are 3, 4 are 6. X square plus 6x minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. Why we write positive sign with greater value? Because this is with, if there is negative sign, we will write greater value with negative. This is positive sign, so we write greater value with positive sign. So we'll take common from this pair, and x is common from these two terms. X is left plus 6 is left. Minus 2 is common. We can see why we take minus 2 common, because this is positive sign, so we will make this term as positive, so we'll take negative sign as common. Minus 2x minus minus plus x, 2 is common, 2 ones are 2, minus minus plus 2 6 are 12 is equal to 0. X minus 2 and x plus 6 equal to 0. X minus 2 first of all take 0 and x plus 6 equal to 0. X is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 6. Now x square. By taking LCM, we multiply whole term with 4. 4x into 4 is equal to minus 75 by 4 into 4. 4x square plus 16x minus 75. 4x square plus 16x plus 75 equal to 0. Now 75. There is no factor of 16, so we will apply 75 into 4. 75 into 4. This is a bigger term, so we will directly apply quadratic formula. This variable is x, so we will write x. X equal to minus b, b is minus 16, plus minus under root b square, 16 square, minus 4, a is 4 into c, c is 75. 2 into a is 4. X is equal to minus 16 plus minus under root 16. 16 are 256. Minus 4 for the 16. 16 into 75, but we will get 1200. 4 2s are 8. Minus 16 plus minus 1200 plus 2 minus 944 divided by 8. 4 9 minus 5 4 11 minus 2 9 is equal to, now what is under root? Minus 16 plus minus 2 4s are 2 7s are 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 2 2 1s are 2 8s are 2 5s are 10, 2 9s are 18, 1 2 2 2s are 4, 4 is pair, 2 is pair into 2 square into 59. So square 2 into 2 4. 4 under root minus 59 divided by 8. Now 4 is common. 4 minus 4 plus minus under root minus 59 by 8. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Minus 4 plus minus under root minus 59 by 2. So solution set. Now this can also we can write in terms of minus 4 plus minus iota 59 and minus under root, what is the value of minus 1 is equal to iota, so we write iota divided by 2. So solution set will become 2 6 2 minus 6 and minus 4 plus minus under root 59 divided by 2 iota. This is our required answer.